Hello everyone, welcome to AFIAN Coaching YouTube channel. My name is Palak Tripathi and I'm going to show you how to use the AFIAN app as a student. As a student, আপোনালোকে AFIAN app to কেনেকে use কৰিব পাৰে, কেনেকে খুলিব পাৰে, কেনেকে classes বোৰ চাব পাৰিব, আপোনালোকে আজি গুটেখিনি এইটো ভিডিওত আপোনালোকে দেখা পাব। So first thing কি কৰিব আপোনালোকে AFIAN app to Play Store ত search কৰিব. So go to your Play Store and I'll move myself here. Okay. And you will have to search for AFIAN. Type koribo AFIAN, AFIAN type koribo, search koribo. First jitu dekha pai ase AFIAN buli, hetu apnaloke select koribo. Ami already kori thoisu. A button to yate apnalokor install button ahibo. Amar tat open buli ahise, apnalokor install button buli ahibo. Install koribo ei app tu, okay? So there are some few things before opening the app. Moi kisuman bostu apnalokok koi diu, moi apunak uninstall kori ako install kori dekhai diu. That will be much more easier for you guys, I understand. So jetialoke install hoy ase moi ketaman kotha apnalokok koi diu. First thing is apnaloke jodiu install kori pela app tut khumabo paribo, but you won't be able to have the access to our classes. Tar mane ki apnaloke jodiu app tut khumai goise classes etao koribo nuaribo. Kyo nuaribo? Because your number has to be registered in our app. Amar appot apnaloke amak connect koribo lagibo and we will register your number, and only then after registering your number only then you will be able to see the classes, live class hog ba uploaded class hog, ji kono class apnaloke sabo bisarise. Jodi apnalokor number registered nai, then you won't be able to have the access to our classes. Apnaloke ei app tu khulibo paribo, amar contact details pai jabo, everything you will get, but you won't be able to have you won't be able to see the classes. Okay, understood? Next thing is you will have to open the app. Okay? Okay, so open korar pisot yate apnar 10 digit number bisaribo, yate apnaloke 10 digit number add kori lobo apnalokor. Okay, so I have entered my number here. Tar pisot apnalokor yate sauk, yate apnalokor ahise kuntu course apuni lobo bisarise. So right now we are running few few courses. We are doing JLEE, APDCL, General Studies, APSC, JEE Civil 21. These are the courses we are taking right now in our app. So I have registered myself in the JLEE section. Jodiu apnaloke register kora nai, jitut apnaloke register koribo bisarise, you can select that. Suppose you want to get admitted in APSC, so you can move to APSC and then you can continue. But more already JLEE for this video purpose, moi as a student as a student JLEE apply kori thoisu, mane enter kori thoisu, register kori thoisu nijok. So I will continue with JLEE. Okay, so you will have to select JLEE, continue koribo. Okay, so if you have not registered yourself, then also you can continue and you can reach this place. Apnaloke a page to khulibo paribo even if you have not registered your number. Jodi apnaloke register koribo bisare, then yate contact us buli je ase tolfale sabo right hand side or bottomot contact us jabo, yate apnalokor call us, chat with us, mane WhatsApp number, call kora number, email ID and address diya ase. Everything is given. You can call us, you can WhatsApp us, email koribo pare ba apnar address jitu diya ase Chanmarit opposite AEI field. Apnaloke amar tat ahi peleo amak contact koribo pare. There is no issue. Okay? Sorry. So next thing what you will have to do, you will have to contact us. Amak kobo je apnalokor ki course lage, we will register your number and then you can have the access to our app. Okay, so now suppose I have called the number, I have registered myself. Now I have registered myself as a student of JLEE, mane lateral entry jitu classes bur hoy, moi hetut nijor just for example purpose, just for example ji kono course apnalokok lage, we will enter your, we will register yourself. So amar mostly ami app to live classes or karne use koru. Uploaded courses bur ami kihot dekha pam, my courses ot jodi apnaloke jay, suppose I have to watch mathematics class. Okay, mathematics class or jodi kiba uploaded thake yate dekha pai jabo, computer or jodi kiba thake yate dekha pai jabo, graphics or jodi kiba thake yate dekha pai jabo. Okay, then you see live eto asile my courses ot. Okay, jodi kiba upload kora thake, PDF thake, kiba thake yate apnaloke eto page ot dekha pai jabo in the my course section. Okay, next মই কি কলো mostly our classes are held live আমি live classes বহুত বেছি ল okay mostly আমি live classes এলো so তাৰে কাৰণে আপোনালোকে কি কৰিব লাগিব এপটো খুলিলে live classes ত যাব লাগিব subject choose কৰিব so you see here suppose here I have to select mathematics ठीक है mathematics মই select কৰিলো বা graphics select কৰিলো বা computer select কৰিলো এতিয়ালৈকে এটো just for example purpose মই use কৰি থৈছো হয় না but you see you will have to select here suppose mathematics এ select কৰিলে graphics এ select কৰিলে যি কোনো select কৰিলে for JLW এইখিনিত in this area which I am showing you right now মোৰ cursor to চাব ইয়াতে আপোনালোকৰ নাম আহি যাব যে এইটো পোরশনত আপোনালোকৰ নাম আহি যাব যে this date 28 April 28 May any date এইখিনি ডেট আহি যাব এন্ড লাইভ ক্লাসৰ নাম আহি যাব সপোজ মই ক্লাস লৈ আছো এন্ড I have kept the class name as graphics 28 February 28 April suppose 28 April graphics class number 1 so হে বস্তুটো ইয়াতে আপোনালোকে দেখা পাবো অলৰেডি আপোনালোকে নোটিফিকেশন পাই যাব এপতে পাই যাব ক্লাস হবনে নাই কি হ'ব কি নহব আপোনালোকে জাস্ট জিটু ক্লাসৰ নোটিফিকেশন পাই যায় জাস্ট সিলেক্ট দি সাবজেক্ট এন্ড এইখিনিত আপোনালোকে নাম পাই যাব আৰু তাৰে লগত লিংক টু থাকে সো ইফ ইউ ক্লিক এন্ড দেন ইফ ইউ ক্লিক ডাইৰেক্টলি আপোনাৰ লাইভ ক্লাস টু ওপেন হৈ যায় ওকে ডাইৰেক্টলি লাইভ ক্লাস টু ওপেন হৈ যাব okay there is not a big deal at all iman dangor iman kotha nohoy everyone here can use a mobile right so you just have to choose the subject yate ekhini eta no live for this subject yet dekhai ase because etao class hua nai teneke he karone because this is just for example purpose main classroom ot ma apnalokok glo nai main class jo live class hoise okay so I think you have understood so much so far if you have any doubt you can contact us and you can ask us anytime it is no big deal okay apart from them moi aro ebar koi diu live class ot jabo lage subject choose koribo lage ji kono subject and a to area moi jitu cursor di dekhai asu in this area your link will come with the name mane suppose 28 April class 1 of mathematics eneke moi naam to disu live class or etu naam dia ase okay you will have to click on that name ekhinit thakibo ekhinit apuni click koribo and after clicking it will directly lead you to the class directly apnalokok class loke loi jabo okay I hope you have understood this thing if you have not understood ikiba jodi doubt thake you can directly contact us there is no issue with that okay I hope this was helpful to you and jodi kiba aru thake jodi kiba aru bujibo thake then comment ot koi dibo ami comment ot apnalokok reply di dim ba aru eta video jodi thake ami banai dim okay please remember the steps very nicely these are not so complex yet not so easy I think jodi first time use kore yes dubar man use kora pisot apnaloke gom pai jabo that's it for today's video thank you so much for watching